guys, welcome back to my channel. I just received this package in the mail like literally 20 minutes ago. So today we're going to be unboxing a Daily Goodie Box. If you don't know what Daily Goodie Box is, it's a website that sends you free samples every month. This video is not sponsored whatsoever, but I've been a member of Daily Goodie Box for about 3 years now, and I want to share them with you guys so you can get free products for yourself. All you have to do is sign up on the website, and then once you receive your goodie box, is go back onto their website and leave honest feedback for each product you receive. And that's it. It's completely free, no hassle, no scam. So let's get unpacking. Oh god. And what do you know? We've got another box. So as you can see, this one says Daily Goodie Box on here. And this actually feels pretty heavy. So I'm really excited to see what's in it. Okay, let's see what's inside. Opening this packaging here, it looks like there's a lot of stuff in it, which is really nice. Ooh. Alright, so let's dig in. So the first thing we have here are these passion fruit snack rounds. So I guess it's a snack. It's all natural, vegan, whatever. Let's try one. Oh. They look like little coins here. Let's try it. These are really good. I don't know where you could actually buy these, but I would buy these. They taste really good. Down, the next thing we have is a Cocoa Lux Hydration. Looks like coconut water. I don't really know how I feel about coconut water. I've never gotten like the ones at stores, but I have tried coconut water in Hawaii. That was pretty good. So we'll see how this measures up. It's kind of warm because it was sitting outside on my front porch, so it doesn't taste too good right now, but it's okay. And what I love about this is everything here is free, and it introduces you to new products. If you guys have watched some of my other videos, I've used a makeup eraser, which is like that pink cloth that you just like, it literally erases your makeup with water. And I actually found that through Daily Goodie Box, and it is one of my favorite products ever. Okay, this next thing we have is a Rowdy bar. It's a chocolate bar. It's really hard. It's also really chewy. This is pretty good. I don't know if I would buy this like over anything else. I'd probably just get some fruit snacks instead. But it's good. Like, I don't mind it. Alright, the next thing we have is some chicken salt barbecue spices. I hate barbecue, but maybe my family will like this. Okay, the next thing we have is a tinted moisturizer. Yay! Makeup. This is what it looks like. And I guess we'll see how it works. Kind of just looks like foundation. I'm already wearing my Glossier skin tint that I reviewed in my one of my first videos that I did. But let's try this. I'm going to try it on my forehead because I have some pimples up there. Okay. It's definitely tinted. Honestly, I think it looks pretty nice. Okay, so it's definitely nice. It's just a little bit dark right now. It looks like we only have 3 more products to go through. So now we have this Nature Nut shampoo for dry and damaged hair, which is nice because I have dry hair. How do you open this? Oh. Oh my god, it smells like nuts. Like tree nuts. Ooh, wait. This actually smells really good. Like, you know those really good smelling boy colognes? That's what it smells like. This next thing is nail polish. Rugged Beauty nail polish. It's a really pretty color. I'm just going to try a little bit because I already kind of did my nails. Okay. Oh. Guess that cap was just for aesthetic. So it's definitely a very pretty color. I don't know if this is in stores anywhere. I've actually like never seen this brand before. But I mean, if it's cheap, I would definitely buy it. And last thing are these neat sheets. It says it's attractive protection for shirt and lap. Oh, so it's like a napkin, like a barbecue napkin kind of. You get a bunch of these different colored, I guess, napkins / towels. So it's like, it's literally a bib. And it even comes with stickers on the back so you can attach it to your shirt. I mean, it's cute, but I don't make that much of a mess when I'm eating. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I would buy these. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed unboxing this daily goodie box with me, and make sure to go sign up too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!